Question 24. At the fair show, the Bronson's family purchased 2 adult tickets and 3 child tickets for $48. The Burton's family purchased 3 adult tickets and 1 child ticket for $44. Calculate the cost for a child ticket and for an adult ticket. Let's call child ticket price X and adult ticket price Y. So X is equal to child ticket price and Y is equal to adult ticket price. Bronson's family purchased 2 adult tickets and 3 child tickets for $48. I can write down 3X plus 2Y is equal to 48. X is child ticket price and Y is adult ticket price. So 2 adult tickets, 2Y plus 3 child tickets, 3X. The Burton's family, on the other hand, purchased 3 adult tickets and 1 child ticket for $44. So I write down X plus 3Y is equal to 44. 1 child ticket and 3 adult tickets. Now we have a system of 2 equations or 2 simultaneous equations. Like previous question, we use elimination method. In the elimination method, our aim is to eliminate one of the variables from the system of equations. Let's choose to eliminate y. In the first equation, the coefficients of y is 2, and in the second equation is 3. To make these coefficients opposites, we multiply the first equations by 2. We multiply, the first equations by plus 3 and the second equations by negative 2. So we get these equations times plus 3 will be 9x plus 6y is equal to 144. And the second equations times negative 2, we get negative 2x, negative 6y is equal to negative 88. If we add these 2 equations together, the positive 6y from the first equation cancels out the negative 6y term in the second equations, leaving us 9x minus 2x is equal to 7x is equal to 144 minus 88, which is 56. So we have 7x is equal to 56. Dividing both sides by 7, and we cancel this 7 with this one, and x is equal to 8. Now we replace x with 8 in one of the original equations. Let's use the first one. 3x plus 2y is equal to 48. I replace x with 8. So 3 times 8 plus 2y is equal to 48. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 2y is equal to 48. I take 24 to the other side of the equation. So I get 2y is equal to 48 minus 24, which is 24 again. 2y is equal to 24. I divide both sides by 2 and I get y is equal to 12. So child ticket price is $8 and adult ticket price is $12.